All right, so I picked my personal organization. Organization is just a bucket that you can arrange your projects in and share them with other people. I'm going to go for my Perl project, which was built on 5.3.6 for Linux, Mac, and Windows. And I am going to open up the GraphQL endpoint, and I'm going to paste in the command to pull a VSA and SLSA provenance documentation for this specific commit. I could, in theory, go to the history page and grab any of these commit, execute, and here I've got my sources, I've got their VSAs and provenance, and then I've got my artifact. And again, I've got the VSA and the provenance. Let's go look for something interesting. How about OpenSSL? Here you can see the encrypted version and then the human readable version. This is in an in toto format, and it tells me all about the item, which is in my runtime here.